Hello, my dear second class students. Welcome back to our class. So, today I want to tell you something that we have finished. How many lessons? How many lessons did we finish? Yes, we have finished 3 lessons, right? Yes or no? Yes, so see, we have finished. We have finished Snoopy Comes to School, Unit 4. Then we have finished Unit 5, Rain, Rain. Then we have finished Unit 6, Here is your coin. Yes or no? Yes, 3 units have been finished. So now I'm not going to Unit 7. Yes, I am telling you Unit 2. Okay, we'll start this Unit 2 chapter. Okay, so in this previous lessons, I mean whatever we have finished, in this lessons we saw a dog and a cat, right? A dog, here see Snoopy and Sweetie. Yes or no? Two pet animals. Yes, two pet animals we have seen. See here, Sweetie and Snoopy. Yes or no? So from where they came? From where? Yes. Where this Abhi or Meena or Sidhu, they all got that Snoopy and Sweetie. We will see in this second unit. Okay, we'll start second unit. See here. See here, yes. What is our second unit name? Unit 2 is Where Are You, Sweetie? What is the unit name? Where Are You, Sweetie? So, Sweetie, who is Sweetie? We know it is a kitten. Yes or no? It is a little cat. Cat's baby. What we call the baby of a cat? Kitten, right? Yes. Then what is the puppy of? What is the baby of? What we call the baby of dog? Yes, puppy, right? So here Snoopy and Sweetie are pets, right? So Sweetie is a cat. So we will see about this Sweetie. I mean this cat's puppy. I mean kitten. It is a cat's baby. Sweetie is a cat's baby. Cat's baby is called a kitten. Kitten. Okay. Yes. So where are you, Sweetie? Where are you, Sweetie? Means I think Sweetie might be missing. So there is a name is Where Are You, Sweetie? Right? Yes. See. Look at the picture and answer the questions given below. Here you see. Here what can you see in the picture? What do you see in the picture? Here there's a man who is reading newspaper. It's a house and a tree. And see, kitten is running, and then one girl and a boy are running back of it, right? Why is the kitten running? See, kitten, this is Sweetie, right? Yes, why is this kitten running? Why it is running? Because yes, it is afraid of something. Yes or no? If something is afraid of some other thing, they run, right? Yes. Why are the boy and the girl running after the kitten? To catch it. Yes or no? Yes, kitten is running and the boy and the girl are running back of it because to catch it. Right? Yes, now turn the page. Look at the picture and answer the questions given below. So here, first before entering this, open this last page. Here we have that last page, right? Appendix page. Open it. Last page. Yes, here, Unit 2. 98, page number 98. See here, where are you, Sweetie? See what it is? Sweetie is a small kitten. Okay, now what is Sweetie? Sweetie is a small kitten. We all know kitten is cat's baby, right? So we have seen there. Yes, so small kitten, Sweetie. Is its name, and she is Abhi's pet. We all know Abhi, right? Yes. So this Sweetie is whose pet? Abhi's pet. Abhi and his sister Meena play with Sweetie every day. So here what we saw a boy and a girl, right? In this unit, first unit, in second unit. Yeah, who are they? They are Abhi and Meena. Okay, they are brother and sisters. Here, this is Abhi and this is Meena. Okay, they both are brother and sisters. Yes. So they play with this Sweetie every day. One day they were playing hide and seek in the garden. Okay, what they are playing one day? You all play with your siblings, right? Your brother, your sister, younger or elder, yes or no? So here Abhi and Meena are playing hide and seek. Hide and seek, you know, hide and seek. Dagudu mutalu, in the sense, okal dakuntaru, then the other one catches him, right? Yes, the one hides under some tree or somewhere. The other one will catch that person. Yes. So one day they were playing hide and seek in the garden. Sweetie was also playing there. So with Abhi and Meena, Sweetie is also playing there. Suddenly, Sweetie heard bow wow wow. Okay. Suddenly, what happened? Sweetie heard the voice bow wow wow. Now, whose voice it is? Yes, it's a dog. Yes or no? Yes. Sweetie started running around the house, but after listening that bow 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 sound, Sweetie, what happened? It started running all around the house. Yes or no? Cats are afraid of dogs, right? Yes, here also in the same way. This is Sweetie. It is a small kitten which is afraid of dog. So by listening this bow 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 sound, what happened? Sweetie started running all around the house. Abhi and Meena ran after Sweetie. Yes, so in the picture they were running back of Sweetie, right? Why? Because Sweetie is running by listening that voice. Yes, they could not find her, so it ran somewhere. They could not find that Sweetie. Abhi went to his grandfather. He asked him, "Grandpa, did you see Sweetie?" Abhi has a grandfather. So what Abhi is asking to his grandfather? Grandfather, did you see Sweetie? Now grandfather is replying as no. Grandfather didn't see Sweetie. So grandfather said no. Then Meena went to her mother. She asked her, Amma, did you see Sweetie? So now Meena went to her mother and she asked about Sweetie. Her mother is also replied as no. Got it? Now coming to the unit 2. Now open unit 2. Yes, so we have seen the story, right? What was happened there? Why kitten is running? Why kitten is running? Because it heard the sound of a dog. Bow, bow, bow. Okay? So kitten is running all over the house, and then Abhi and Meena are running back of it. So here you see. What is Abhi asking his grandfather? Now we saw what did Abhi ask his grandfather? He asked, Grandpa, did you see Sweetie? Yes or no? Yes. What is his grandfather saying? He said no, right? Then Meena came to her mother and asked about Sweetie. But same thing, her mother also replied as no. Yes, next. Who is Sweetie? Now tell me, who is Sweetie? Sweetie is a small kitten. Yes or no? Cat's baby. So Sweetie is a small kitten. It is a pet of Abhi. Yes. Where did Sweetie go? We don't know, right? It is running all over the house. Yes. What will Abhi and Meena do now? What will they do? They try to catch they try to search the kitten, Sweetie, right? Yes, now turn the page. Yes, so see here. Where are you, Sweetie? Now Sweetie is missing. They all are searching for Sweetie. So they're saying, where are you, Sweetie? Now if you hide somewhere, or if you are afraid and if you go somewhere and if you hide, what happens? All will search for you, right? Yes, so here Abhi and Meena are also searching for Sweetie. Yes, see, Abhi and Meena are looking for kitten, Sweetie. Okay, here what is the name of the kitten? Sweetie, right? So Abhi and Meena are searching for kitten. So see Meena, how she is searching Popam, right? Yes, Meena is looking on the cupboard. So Meena thought kitten might have climbed upon the cupboard. So Meena is searching upon the cupboard. See, this is cupboard, right, where we keep our clothes or something, some items in it, right? Yes, it is a small table, stool. Yes, so here Meena is searching for home, kitten. What is the name of the kitten? Sweetie. Yes, here you see Abhi is looking under the cot. So Abhi is trying to look under the cot. See, this is cot. Here is a pillow, right? Yes, so Abhi is looking under the cot for whom? For kitten, Sweetie, right? They thought kitten might have hid under the cot. So they are looking under the cot. Now yes, next. Now they are looking for Sweetie in the garden. So they were playing hide and seek in the garden, right? So they went into the garden and then they are looking for Sweetie in the garden. Then what happened? Suddenly they hear meow meow. Suddenly they heard meow meow. Now who does that sound? Cat itself, no? Yes, cat sound it is. Yes or no? Means kitten sound. So Meena says, Abhi, look. Sweetie is in the tree. So here you see Sweetie is on the tree, on the branch of the tree, right? So in the tree. So yeah, what Meena is telling to Abhi, look Abhi, Sweetie is in the tree. So it is in the tree. Abhi and Meena run to their father Mohan. So who is Mohan here? Abhi's father's name is Mohan. Abhi's and Meena's father's name is Mohan. After looking Sweetie in the tree, they ran to their father Mohan. Here you see. Abhi requests his father, Daddy, please bring her down. So they can't, now as you are small kids, you can't climb that tree, right? Tall trees, you can't climb. So what Abhi did? Abhi went near his father and he pleased in the sense he said to his dad that please papa bring kitten down, bring the Sweetie down. Mohan climbs the tree, he brings Sweetie down, she runs to Abhi with joy. So Abhi's father, what he did, he went into the garden and then he climbed the tree and he brought kitten down. And what happened after coming down? Sweetie ran to Abhi with joy. Joy in the sense J-O-Y. Joy in the sense happily. Okay. The kitten happily runs towards the Abhi. Abhi and Meena say, thank you, Daddy. Now after his father bringing the kitten down, Abhi and Meena thanked their father. Right? Yes. So we have finished the lesson. So what did we see in this lesson? We have seen about Abhi and Meena, right? Who are they? They are brother and sister. And then we have seen that kitten, Sweetie, about Sweetie. Yes, whose pet is that? It is a pet of Abhi, right? Yes, Sweetie is a pet kitten of Abhi. And then what have we seen? We have seen about the kitten, right? It is running all over the house because it heard a sound of bow wow. So Meena and Abhi were searching for kitten, Sweetie. Yes, Meena is searching on the cupboard. Now here Abhi is looking under the cot, right? Abhi is looking under the cot. But where did they get kitten? They got that kitten in the tree in the garden. Yes or no? So as they were small kids, they can't climb the tree. Abhi and Meena called their father to help. Yes or no? To bring kitten down. So Mohan is his father. He came into the garden and then he climbed the tree. Then he brought Sweetie down. Then Sweetie runs to Abhi with joy, right? Then what happens when someone helps you? What do you tell? What you have to tell? You have to tell thank you. So here you see here their father helped them. So they said thank you, Daddy. So if someone helps you, what you have to tell? You have to tell them thank you. Okay, thanks. You have to tell thanks or thank you. And then if you want any help or if you want to request someone, how you have to request? You have to tell please. Here see, Daddy, please bring her down. So here please is the word which we use to request someone. Okay. Now if you are writing, okay, you lost your pencil, you want pencil. Now if you want to ask someone, how will you ask? Please, can you give me a pencil? Okay, you have to ask politely as a request. Okay, in a good way. What you have to use? You have to use please can you borrow a pencil? Okay. Now yes, if they give pencil to you, what you have to tell? You have to tell thank you because they helped you. Yes or no? So telling please and thank you is most important in everyone's life. Okay. Yes, you have to use please if you want anything, and then if they help you, you have to tell thank you. Okay. Yes, in this way we have finished our lesson. Yes, next you see this. Do the following. Shall we do this? No, we will do it in the next class. Okay, in our next class we'll start this. Okay, till that what you have to do, what is your work? You have to read the lesson. Okay, what you have to do, you have to read the lesson. If you feel any word which is difficult to pronounce, you have to pronounce it twice, thrice. Okay, yes, you have to read the lesson and then pronounce the words which you are not getting it. Okay, read the spellings of that words of difficult words. And I'm giving you homework. Are you all writing it? Yes, read. Not only writing, you have to read the words also, difficult words. Okay. Yes, so from we got who is Abhi and Meena, and then what is that kitten, right? Yes, Abhi and Meena are brother and sisters, and then Abhi's pet is kitten, right? Yes, you people also have your kittens, right? I mean your pets, right? Yes, we'll talk it later, okay? Yes, now we have finished our lesson. We'll continue the next bits in the next class.